guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a just listed pool home in the residential estates golf course area. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 726 Paseo, Granada in the residential estates area right by the golf course. This was just listed $675. This is an estate sale, so it is coming totally furnished. So all these houses, of course, are all nice underground utilities. Most of them have natural gas. You can go 2 stories in the residential estates area. A little bit of side access, not probably wide enough for an RV, but definitely wide enough for a trailer or maybe even 8.5-foot beam boats. Got a vacant lot next door that they'll end up building on. So I forgot my mic today, so if the audio's not as good as usual, I apologize in advance. Let's go inside and check it out. So the neighbor's wall does have that stucco to grade type erosion, so that's a constant maintenance issue out here. So it's got a nice little front courtyard, real big one. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home, 1,852 square feet. Sits on a 7,500 square foot residential estates golf course lot. Huge, tall, 12-foot ceilings. Nice open living area. There's also a den in this house that could be used as a 4th bedroom. So like an Airbnb vacation rental setup, you could definitely utilize it and market it as a 4-bedroom. So again, this is an estate sale. So what you see is what you get. All the personal property will be conveyed to the new owners outside of escrow at no value. So you have a nice 3-sided gas fireplace. You have your kitchen with double doors out to the pool area. There is a skylight in the kitchen. Granite counters, stainless appliances, gas range, pot shelves. You have a nice double door pantry. So this is a split floor plan with the master on one side and the other guest bedrooms on the other side. This would be the bonus den 4th bedroom setup. So this does have a door out to the pool area. Also has a little doggy door. Big double door entry. And I did notice it does have an armoire, which does count as a closet as long as it conveys in the transaction. So technically, it could be a 4-bedroom again. All right, so we're gonna go check out the master side, which is the opposite of the kitchen first. So you have a nice master, 10-foot ceilings, double doors out to the pool area. So I've noticed all the furniture is pretty nice. I mean, it's not cheap, a little outdated, but. So you have your master bath, the jetted tub, nice big skylight. So you have granite counters, dual sinks, little pot shelf that pops over into the main master bath. Glass door, walk-in shower. You have another walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your other 2 guest bedrooms and guest bath at the front of the house. Guest bath has the same granite tops, skylight, tiled shower. So you have bedroom number 2 also at the front of the house. You have another glass double door closet. So you have bedroom number 3 also at the front of the house. Double glass door closet. So this one has a little bit of Jack and Jill access to the guest bath, so it's kind of a little junior master suite. Just cool, make for a good vacation rental setup. Right, so you have your indoor laundry off of the main entry and your access to the garage. All right, so you have your 2-car garage. That's a 22-foot bay and a 28.5 deep bay. Has some built-in storage. Has a side door out to the side parking, and that little door right there is just plumbing access for the bathroom. Got your little utility sink. Looks like the water heater's new. It must have blown up because it looks like they just redid it. Water softener, RO system. All right, so we're out at the pool area. It has a nice covered patio, private pool. Has a little water feature. It's not running right now, but. So the pool looks good. It's a little dirty from the wind, but it does have pop-up cleaners. Looks like there's another water feature, maybe. Nice little palapa sitting area. Definitely has that Santa Fe style vibe to it. So here's your RV boat side parking. Has a gate back here. You also have all your pool equipment behind this wall. So all the decking is like stained concrete. That's your bonus room entry door with the little doggy door. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Paseo, Granada. Again, this one was just listed for $675. It is an estate sale, so basically everything you see conveys with the property at no value. I'll put a direct link right below this video to the listing detail page so you guys can get all the latest pictures, current price, availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.